I think it is difficult to say right now whether any difference is happening, but that especially today, the process of the analytical process where you test these molecules, it's actually became more and more automated. And for this automation, it has been already proven in US and Europe that more you put this automation like continuous manufacturing, QBD, or this kind of process, this really helps on the ensuring the quality. And there is a challenge for Indian manufacturers. All this process at the beginning is costly, but once you implement this, it has been shown by some of our leading Indian manufacturers that they became cost effective in a long run. So yes, this has a big potential, and Indian manufacturers have already started implementing them. Yeah, I think I will really thank ET Pharma to conduct this workshop. There is, you will see in India, every month there is some or other meeting on biosimilar and vaccine. But there are practically very few meetings on peptide and oligo. Whereas this class of biomolecules are coming up in a big way, and it is covering today the wide range of disease, and thereby it is very important that these conferences will happen. When I was at USP, every year we used to conduct a meeting on the peptide and oligo because there was no other organization who were doing it. So I think it is very important that you have taken up this particular class of biologic molecules, and I think we have some very interesting discussion today, and that will help for especially for the newcomers. Still, this group is small. As compared to the companies who are working in biosimilar or vaccine, the companies in peptide oligo are small. But I believe in India there will be big growth of this particular area, because as I said, these are actually synthetic. And Indians are experts, especially with their expertise in generic. They are expert in synthetic chemistry. So thereby, I believe this is an area where India will grow in a big way. And UET as a starting the workshop in this field will help to pull these people together and exchange their ideas, have network, which will ultimately help Indian companies to grow.